Hey traders, how you doing? This is Greg McLeod. I'm the CEO and founder of the Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. And I'm here on beautiful Kite Beach here in Maui. And it's a beautiful Saturday and just enjoying some sun and some surf. And just wanted to take a couple moments out to talk to you about some of the things I'm looking at for the economic calendar this week. And looking at the economic calendar, we've got some major things.
Okay, we're going to check my market heat map. This is our all-purpose tool for finding out what's going on in the market, see what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, what's not. Also, being able to scan the market for most active currency pairs. This is our week of 5/17/2021, and so we're going to go ahead and go to we have different heat maps that you can see what's actually going on right now with all Forex currency pairs. But we're going to be looking at the one part of the my market heat map. You can see the market's pretty quiet. Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, top spots, and we have dollar taking the bottom spot as well. But we're going to go over to the trader tools, and we're actually going to look at the economic calendar. And this is the economic calendar for this week. We only had one announcement today, and that was the gross domestic product out of Japan, and it came out worse than the previous number. Previous number was 2.8%, came in a little bit lower at negative 1.2%, and so we're looking at that as being a negative impact on the Japanese yen. Later on, we're going to look at 21:30, with about 9:30 Eastern time. We're going to look at the Australian dollar. It will come into focus with the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting minutes, and that is how we'll see how the RBA came up with their interest rate decision, see if they are going to maybe raise rates in the future or normalize rates, or are they going to keep the amount of stimulus maybe needed to, for the pandemic. So we'll hear about that. So anyway, the Australian dollar, it will be in focus today. On Tuesday, May 18th, 2021, we have a series of UK news coming out at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. That's average earnings. That's looking at the previous number is 4.5%. Forecast calls for 4.6%. We have the UK unemployment rate, expecting that to remain steady at 4.9%. And average earnings, excluding bonuses, coming in forecasted to be higher at 4.6% versus 4.4%. All that's going to come out on Tuesday in the morning, 2 a.m. in the morning. So just before the London Open, we can see some volatility in the British pound and the British pound pair. So British pound will be in focus for the London session. Okay, and then carry on into Wednesday, May 19th, 2021. We're looking at consumer price index, the CPI, inflation reading out of the UK. Previous number was 0.7%. No forecast is given, but inflation is one of the chief drivers of currency pairs. So we'll see some inflation data coming out of the UK. Also, later on that day on Wednesday, we'll have the Canadian dollar come into focus with the Bank of the Consumer Price Index. More inflation data is there. Previous number is 0.3%. Forecast calls for there's no forecast actually, but we'll look at the Canadian dollar coming into focus. It has been a lot of people have been shorting the Canadian dollar, and so you might look for the Canadian dollar to continue to increase in value. If you attended my workshop on dumb money versus smart money, a lot of dumb money is short the Canadian dollar. Okay, FOMC minutes coming out on Wednesday, and that's going to be put the US dollar into focus. All the dollar pairs come into focus as well. And so we're going to go on to the unemployment rate for Australia will come out, so the Australian dollar will come into focus. Previous number was 5.6%. Forecast called for 5.7%. Employment change 70,000.7, no forecast given. And the interest rate decision out of China is going to come out 3.85%. Forecasts, there is no forecast, but even though we don't trade the Chinese renminbi or the yuan, we'll look for the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar to come into focus as being the largest trading partners. We can trade the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar as a proxy for the Chinese rate decision coming out on Wednesday. Then we're going to have New Zealand budget release as well. And then finally, for Friday, we have UK retail sales. Previous number was 5.4%. Expect for a decrease to 1.5%. We'll see if they get those forecasts. They've been having these forecasts very wrong. So I anticipate that we're probably actually going to beat on this number and maybe come in at maybe 6% versus 5.4%. Market manufacturing PMI of the Eurozone also comes out as well. Previous number 66.2. Forecast call for a decrease to 65.8. And we also have some UK manufacturing and services PMI expected to come out at 60.9, 61.0 accordingly. Okay, so that's it for our economic update. If you would like more information, and we'll go ahead and let's click the link below and join our free Forex group. Go to theforexcashmachine.com and join our free VIP group to get free workshops, tips, tricks, videos, forecasts, and my expert analysis, and you get to associate with our very vibrant, dynamic, and highly skilled community. Okay, love you much. Peace and pips. Aloha. Bye.
So that's the rundown. So we have a really exciting week coming up in trading. Lots of things to look at and to watch for. So if you have any more questions, or if you want to join our free Forex group, just go to theforexcashmachine.com and join our group. I look forward to seeing you on the beach and seeing you on the inside. Forex Cash Machine. This is Greg McLeod signing out. Aloha.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!